Electric tricycles for adults have evolved into robust, stable, and highly capable transportation options. In 2026, the best e-trikes offer long-range batteries, powerful motors for hauling cargo or climbing hills, and critical safety features like suspension and differentials. Here's the definitive list of top three-wheelers for every adult need, from commuting to utility. The power and stability standard, 750-watt motor with full suspension, and a crucial differential. The Addmotor Grandtan II is a true powerhouse built for stability and demanding terrain. It features a robust 750-watt rear-drive motor and a massive 48-volt 20-amp-hour battery, providing an impressive 85-mile range and a top speed of 22 miles per hour. Crucially, it includes suspension for a comfortable ride and a rear differential. A differential is vital on an e-trike, as it allows the two rear wheels to spin at different speeds when turning, drastically improving handling and stability compared to models with a fixed axle. Its UL 2849 certification confirms compliance with stringent electrical safety standards. Peak power and fat tire stability, an affordable folding trike with a huge 1200-watt peak motor. The ESKUTE E Trike offers aggressive power and all-terrain stability in a folding package. Featuring a peak 1200-watt brushless motor, actual sustained power is likely lower but still significant. This trike is built to tackle steep hills and heavy loads. The 18X 3.0 fat tire e-bike configuration provides excellent flotation and grip on uneven surfaces, like gravel or sand. With a folding trike design and a step-through frame, it's easy to mount, dismount, and store, making it versatile for both commuting and utility use. The 499 watt-hour removable battery delivers up to 55 miles of range. The minimalist commuter, streamlined design focusing on core performance and daily usability. The XP Trike 2, finished in the sleek Tempest Gray, represents a streamlined, modern approach to the electric tricycle. While detailed specs are often tailored, this model typically focuses on offering a reliable mid-range performance profile perfect for daily commuting and errands. It emphasizes ease of use, stability for urban environments, and a visually appealing design that moves away from the traditional utility look. It's an excellent choice for riders seeking a dependable, no-fuss e-trike for paved paths and city streets. Maximum range and smart control, 100-mile range with a torque sensor and high load capacity. The Metone Breeze Pro is engineered for long-distance comfort and advanced control. It boasts a phenomenal 100 miles electric trike range, reducing range anxiety for long-haul commuters. It stands out with its torque sensor, which measures the force the rider is applying to the pedals, providing immediate and natural-feeling motor assistance, a superior system to basic cadence sensors. Features like reverse gear, rear differential, and 450 pounds load capacity make it extremely practical for utility. Its folding design and 4-inch wide fat tire add convenience and stability. Affordable utility and folding convenience, a practical solution for cargo and easy storage. The Mooncool Tricycle is a strong contender in the utility segment, providing high value with essential features. It utilizes a 48-volt 500-watt motor setup, which is more than adequate for moderate hills and cargo hauling. The aluminum frame keeps the weight down relative to steel alternatives, and the folding electric tricycle design makes it simple to stow in a garage or vehicle. The large front and back bags offer ample space for groceries, gear, or delivery items, making this a highly practical and accessible workhorse for everyday tasks. That's your definitive guide to the best electric tricycles of 2026. If maximum stability and high power are your priorities, the Addmotor Grandtan II is the clear choice with its differential and 750-watt motor. If you need the longest range and the best pedaling feel, the Metone Breeze Pro with its torque sensor stands out. All the direct links and detailed specifications for these modern electric trikes are waiting for you in the description box below. Go on, ride with confidence.